Our existence is happening for a specific purpose. Namaste everyone, I am Chandresh Bhardwaj and today I'll be sharing the major component of intention setting in your meditation and how that can completely turn around your life. Intentions are defined as the fuel for your consciousness. In Tantra, we call it Sankalpa. The fuel of consciousness, the conscious desire of the soul, that's the reason why we are here. We are not here accidentally. We are not here to wake up, pay the bills, hustle, sleep, and rinse and repeat on a daily basis. Our existence is happening for a specific purpose. It's all right if you don't know that because no one knows it. But what you could do is plant gentle seeds of intention in that fertile land of infinite possibilities. In Tantra, we don't go into the mind or the goal setting process because any goal you set will have comparison, calculation, overanalyzing. But instead, we go into intentions. Intentions are the tender, soft seeds. And just like any seed, if you nurture them rightly, those seeds will grow into powerful peaks of awareness. How to plant intentions in your meditation, that's where the magic happens. So the first step is, as you start the meditation, in the first few minutes, start inviting those intentions. So let's say your intention is to be confident, live with courage, express your creativity. Okay, so you could invite intentions with certain statements like, my intention is to live with my creative courage. My intention is to lead with creativity. My intention is to live my truth and express my creative courage every day in every possible way. Just few examples of creativity. It would be terrible to use this intention in a very rigid way. For example, if you say, my intention is to channel my creativity in writing this book, which should sell 500,000 copies and be published by ABC publishers. That's limiting your intention in a very tight way, with a very fearful way. Remember, intentions are fluid, they are flexible. That's why we use the words like creative courage and not make them so tight in the dimension. If you have been working with intentions for a few years, then it's all right to go a little specific. But for the beginners, I highly recommend you use intentions which are subtle, fluid, flexible, and not too heavy in your mind. And as you plant the intention, surrender, rest, relax, and let them find their own space, okay? As you complete the meditation, offer gratitude, acknowledge their existence in you and around you. And finally, every day, reflect, what are you doing in a material way to contribute toward your intentions? Because just planting them in meditation is only half of the work. Other half is, what do you do? Are your actions matching your intentions? Are your actions matching with the whole vision you are planting in your meditation? And then the intentions will work. And a major component of intention success is we don't calculate or judge every step of it. Sometimes it doesn't seem like intentions are working for us, but maybe the truth is the path to intention involves a lot of cleaning, a lot of healing, a lot of fixing certain barriers, and maybe that's what is happening. That's why trusting the process and showing up for it on a daily basis will work magic for you. Do share in the comments what intentions you are working for, and I'll be more than happy to help you phrase those intentions a little better. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel. It keeps supporting and encouraging my work. Thank you.